Kashnov writes, "Hey Dennis, love your content. I'm an incoming data science master student at ESSEC Paris. Would love a roadmap for people switching to data science profession." And I have that roadmap. I have on my YouTube channel. I created a data science guide for students. I created that guide because I get questions like yours a lot, Kashnov. I get a lot of students who approach me, and unfortunately, I don't always have the time to get back to everybody because I do have a client load that I try to maintain. But yeah, I do have a roadmap there for people that are switching careers, or maybe you're like an early graduate or somebody like you that's going into a master's program. I also issue a coding challenge in that book. Excuse me, in that video. I have yet to have anybody come back to me with code, because if you do the coding challenge and you work through it, and you come back to me because you're stuck or you want more help, I'm more than happy to help you in that scenario. But I do have a coding challenge in there. And really just kind of present how I did some of my studies and how I would do it now and in current times. So please check it out on my YouTube.